Hey people, welcome aboard. It's always a pleasure to have you here at Mama Zulu Health. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe because today's topic is very interesting. It'll give you 2 minutes to subscribe and like. Subscribe. Good. I believe you have subscribed now. Thank you so much. If you also would like to suggest a topic for our next video, please do so at the comments section below and we will surely do so. Today we will be talking about caring for your baby's teeth. I was talking to a dentist friend a few days ago, and they advised that I should start taking care of my baby's teeth even before the teeth start forming. 1. Clean the gum with a clean cloth to clear away any harmful bacteria even before the teeth start forming. 2. When the teeth start forming, you can get the softest toothbrush, brush it softly. You should use fluoride-free toothpaste cause at this age the baby might swallow. 3. When the teeth start coming closer and touching each other, you know it is time to start flossing. 4. Floss at least once and brush twice a daily. 5. As the baby grows and they can brush on their own, please supervise then as they brush. Make sure they don't use too much toothpaste or to avoid swallowing. And finally, when your baby is old enough to understand, teach them to brush 2 times a day and now with a fluoride-containing toothpaste and avoid food that cause tooth decay or tooth cavities. So that is it about taking care of our baby's teeth. It is a blessing to you, blessing to your child. Take care of them, continue taking care of yourself. And bye.